Chapter 1, Real Numbers. Okay, first we can study what is real numbers. First I'll give you 3 definitions for real numbers. Okay, they are rational number plus irrational number is real number. Okay, that is rational number and irrational number together called as real numbers. Second definition, all numbers that can be plotted on a number line is called real numbers. Third, all numbers that exist are called real numbers. Now we can explain one by one. Okay, for that consider types of numbers. What are types of numbers? First one, natural numbers. What all are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, etc. So that is countable numbers are known as natural numbers. So natural number is also known as countable numbers. Next, whole number. Second type of number is whole number. So whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Okay. Now next type of number, integers. Integers are -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, etc. Okay. Next is rational number. Next, rational numbers. Okay, rational, ratio. Number which can be expressed in ratio form is called rational number. Then what is ratio? Ratio means if P and Q are two numbers. If P and Q are two numbers, then the ratio between these two numbers is P is to Q. That is P by Q. Okay. So the numbers which can be expressed in P by Q form, they are known as rational numbers. Okay. Now which all numbers you can express in ratio form? Consider this integers. Okay. That is -2. -2 you can express as -2 by 1. Okay. Or -4 by 2. Okay. So negative numbers you can express in ratio form. Now 0. 0 means 0 you can express as 0 by 100. 0 by any number is 0, isn't it now? So 0 also you can express in P by Q form. Now positive numbers. 1 you can express as 1 by 1 or 100 by 100 or 1000 by 1000, etc. So all negative numbers 0, positive numbers you can express in ratio form. That is all integers you can express in ratio form, isn't it now? So now you can say that ratio of integers are called rational numbers. Okay. And we all know that if denominator is 0, that is if 1 by 0, okay, denominator is 0, then the value is undefined. So you got one condition for this rational number. What is that? Integers which can be expressed in P by Q form were Q not equal to 0. They are known as rational numbers. Other than this, you can give some more definition for a rational number. They are 3 by 5, 1 by 2, etc. Okay. Now next type of number is irrational number. Irrational numbers are numbers other than rational numbers. Okay, they are known as irrational number. For example, √2, √3, and we have some constant, isn't it? Pi, e, etc. They are known as irrational numbers. Now we can see the relation between these types of numbers. Okay, natural numbers means 1, 2, 3. Whole number means 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Means what? 0 and natural numbers. That means whole numbers include natural numbers. Okay. Now integers. Integers means negative numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, etc. Means what? Integers means negative numbers and whole numbers are called as integers. Isn't it? That is integers include both those natural numbers and whole number. So rational numbers includes all these natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So types of numbers you can divide it into two. rational number and irrational number, because irrational numbers are numbers other than rational. So types of numbers can be divided into two. So types of number you can divide it into two: rational number and irrational number. And rational number include natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So that is, rational number and irrational number include all the types of numbers, isn't it now? That is our first definition, that is rational number plus irrational number is real number. Now consider this figure for real numbers. Real numbers means rational numbers and irrational numbers. Okay, rational numbers include integers, whole number, natural numbers. That means what? All numbers that exist are called as real numbers, isn't it now? So we got two definitions for real numbers. That is we explained two definitions for real number, that is rational number plus irrational number. Rational number and irrational number together called as real numbers, and all numbers that exist are called real numbers. Now one more definition. All numbers that can be plotted on a number line is called real numbers. Okay, for that consider a number line. Okay, now look, all natural numbers 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 are called as natural number. It can be plotted on the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3 whole number, that also can be plotted. Negative and positive mean integers, that also can be plotted. Then rational number, take one example, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means what? 0.5. That also you can be here. So the point is in between 0 and 1. And we already studied how to plot irrational number on a number line. So all these numbers you can be plotted on the number line, isn't it now? That is, all numbers that can be plotted on a number line is called real numbers. That all are the definition for real numbers. Now I think you got an idea about this real numbers and types of numbers, and about this rational and irrational number later we'll explain in detail. Okay. Now that is real numbers. Next we can explain about this topic, Euclid division algorithm. Okay.